The dude who pointed a laser in Tom Brady's eyes during the AFC Championship Game at Arrowhead Stadium has finally fessed up, and in doing so, he'll avoid jail time. 64-year-old Dwayne Morgan was charged with disturbing the peace after the laser incident and faced up to a year of jail time plus a $1,000 fine. But according to TMZ, the judge took it easy on him after he confessed, slapping him with just a $500 fine. TMZ previously reported Morgan blamed an excessive amount of alcohol for the incident and that he never intended any harm. No harm, no foul, I guess. Brady went on to win his 6th Super Bowl a couple weeks later.